At Vibra Finance, we seek out the hidden gems in cryptocurrency. We will tailor your portfolio to work for you. Are you ready to transition your investments from traditional markets to cryptocurrency? Are your coins staked and earning interest? Are you overwhelmed with all the jargon in crypto? Is your portfolio underperforming and you want to reposition into consistent winning blue chip coins and viable projects? Do you feel like you missed out on DeFi, Metaverse, and NFTs? Here at Vibra Finance, we provide you with the data, skills, and tools you need to stay on top of the digital asset market. Vibra Finance. We are the future of crypto.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Vibraville. Hope you guys are panicking out there. Don't get all riled up. People are freaking out, capitulating left and right. And it's funny because I'm just getting more and more bullish. The more that news breaks, the more stuff comes out, projects release on Twitter, you hear stuff in AMAs. I get more and more and more bullish. And I'm glad that I haven't gotten any messages that were, man, I'm wrecked, I'm destroyed. Only people wondering where their rewards were from Misor and the Finvesta coins. So that means you guys are listening, which is a good thing because this is the opportunity. Right now, I think we're going to roll over one more time and then something's going to happen with Japan. I'm sticking to it. I just don't see a way out of this because the average person is just broke. You know, where's the retail money going to come from? That's what I ask myself. And if people don't have $500 in their savings account, I just feel like they're tapped out. And especially as if we roll over again, those people that are holding on, just trying not to sell, but have to live, it gets to a point where you got to live. And unfortunately, people are going to get shaken out. They're going to sell to live, and the markets can always stay irrational longer than we can stay solvent. You know, you hear those type of things, but then until you experience it, it hits home. So, guys, I think Bitcoin, if we don't pump hard, I mean, CPI came out today, and what was it? A big nothing burger. CPI inflation data cools in February, easing investors' fears about the health of the U.S. economy. Even though it's in the toilet, we've been in a recession, everyone's broke, everyone's pissed, but yet everything's all right. This is the stuff that cracks me up. Core inflation has remained stubbornly elevated due to sticky costs for shelter and services like insurance and medical care. So what the hell does that mean? Core inflation has remained stubbornly elevated due to sticky costs. So I looked up, what are sticky costs? And those are costs that increase disproportionately faster than they decrease when activity levels like sales change, meaning they don't decrease as much when activity declines as they rise when activity increases. It's like, guys, they're here to confuse you and to rob you blind. I swear they make this shit up. This was not in my vocabulary or talked about 6 years ago. Like they just start making up words. And it's the best YouTuber is Uneducated Economist. He's the best about the Fed, following what they do. And he's come to the conclusion they're here to literally confuse you and sway public opinion to get you to feel like you're broke or feel like you have money, and it can go a long way. So that's all that matters. If your perception is one way, you'll go spend money. Even though you're not making any more from your job, everything's pretty much the same. Just that perception that, oh yeah, inflation isn't rising up and I'm not getting stolen from. You'll go out and spend money. But when you think, oh man, times are tight, I think I can't go do that. That's what the Fed is there to do, is to sway your mindset. And once you realize that, if you ever see it, because it takes watching his streams. I probably watched him for a couple months before I was like, okay, I get it now. It doesn't even matter what they say. They're going to make up, if they get to a point where they're stuck, they'll make up new words, or they'll just change their targets or manipulate the data or change how they come up with inflation. So all of this data, guys, is all garbage. And if these numbers were so good, Bitcoin should have went up today. And yeah, we did start coming up, but we needed to break out of this 84.5. We needed to close the day making a new high. And we're not doing that. We're getting stuck at these same levels right here at just over 84.5. So I think this is just a relief rally before we come down a little bit further. And that sucks, but on the daily. There we go. Jeez. All right. So, let me see. 76. This right in here is where I think we're coming, because Japan's going to break. As soon as they raise rates, that's when the money's going to flood out of the market. Right now, I think it's been retail that's been kind of panicking. So, did all the big boys sell out up here? I don't know. Have they been front running the carry trade since August, knowing holy shit, we just dropped 13% a day? Was that the wake up call? And is that why markets are doing nothing now, because they're all paying that back and they're done with it? I would pray that's the answer, but no one knows. The short squeeze continued. Over the last 20 years, March 12th is the last day of the year that has a negative average year-to-date return for the S&P 500. Will history repeat itself this year? Let some hope for the bulls. I think so. Trump's told us we're going to have so much money, we're not going to know where to spend it. That's his words. His straight vocabulary. So I think the tariffs are just a cover up for a way bigger problem. And through Elon recovering money, them downsizing the government, AI is going to be deflationary. They're going to figure out a way to make this stuff work. I'm not worried at all, because I know I own the best cryptos. I know I own the coins that are going to be used. And every day you see it more and more. The push towards stable coins, the push towards regulation, the golden age, blockchain technology. And we know more than all of them. That's the best thing, is we know more than the lawmakers and all these guys out in the public. So Wall Street especially. So if we can just position ourselves where Wall Street's going to go, where the ETFs are going to come out, in my opinion, it's game over. Binance secures the $2 billion investment from Abu Dhabi firm paid in stable coins. The first ever deal done with a sovereign wealth fund paid fully in stable coins. Things are moving forward. In the U.S., if we need to be the crypto hub of the world, we better step it up, because the Dubai over there, they are crushing it, and they're not going to stop. And meanwhile, we're here still talking about the IRS. I'm not even get into it, but hopefully we see the day where taxes on crypto is gone. And it just makes sense, right? Because all the integrating Visa and MasterCard and payments into these wallets, it just makes sense. That's the next step. Crypto was made for this stuff. So to incentivize people to get into it and push people into the digital away from cash, you have to incentivize them. And Trump's going to do it by putting money in your pocket. And if you're richer with digital money and you can upgrade your life, are you going to care about the digital ID or the tracking? No. You're not. If everyone all of a sudden moved up significantly financially after a year, they said, "All right, guys, well, now you're all doing good. To keep it this way, we need these CBDCs, and we're going to start tracking them. Everyone's going to sign up for it, or we can go back to the way it was in 2024, 2023. Everyone's now on board. So to me, I see they're going to push everybody in towards crypto, make it tax friendly, do everything that we want to see happen. It's beautiful. And Franklin Templeton now becomes the largest asset manager to file for a Solana ETF. And it's funny that Solana just had a vote to change their inflation. So now they're going to cut the inflation down drastically because it was a joke what was going on. But this just shows you guys the desperation, the need for crypto in the ETFs. The stock market, bonds, all that shit. Gold has been killing it. That's it. Gold and Bitcoin. And the magnificent, the used to be Magnificent Seven that are going to start dropping like crazy. And I think Tesla is going to come out of it more an AI company. So if you're in the stock market, I would be consolidating into SBI Holdings, Japan, because they own a majority, 10% majority in Ripple, Santander Bank, a Ripple partner, and maybe Tesla. But I'm not a stock guy. Venice airdrop ends with 100 million in unclaimed VVV tokens burned. Nice. I bought like 25 of them at like $3 or something like that. I don't know what it's at right now. Probably down a ton. VVV. Oh, 348. Look at that. I'm about even on it. So whatever. I don't care. I $75 or $70 at it. I don't care. This thing was up to $25. So if it can go to $50 and I can turn that into $1,000, I'll take it. I will take it. Rumble discloses 17 million in Bitcoin treasury holdings, may make additional strategic purchases. Wow, I didn't know Tether backed Rumble. Interesting. Tether's doing everything, man. It's not going to be good for them. And RLUSD is taking over. I didn't know that they designed it specifically for the banks, guys. It's not for us. It's for the banks to move money around. These markets, we're here for the ride. I didn't even see this. SEC delays ETF filings for Doge, XRP, and others. Isaiah Wait, Paul Atkins. When does he get confirmed? When does he get confirmed, though? Doesn't even say. The deadlines aren't until October. It's all right. We're gonna have a good summer, or we just have a straight depression. But I don't think so. That's why I pushed you guys to XRP, to HBAR, to Stellar, to Flare to get your drops every month. I mean, with your staking and the monthly drops, this month I got almost 3.4%, which is incredible. And on the year, look at that. So the blue chips, Stellar, HBAR, XRP, Sologenics, XDC, Velo, Ondo, Propi up a little bit, Aave, Stronghold. So that's the winners. Those aren't the ones I'm adding to right now. I'm adding I added the Cubic last. I bought more Axelar, Veracity. Oh, I sold my Filecoin liquid. I swapped my Zcash and I had like 8 Filecoin on my ledger I forgot about. And I swapped it for more XRP. I think I have like 540 XRP liquid now. outside my IRA. I'm just trying to get as much as possible. I don't care what anyone says. Like, if anyone could have went back in time and bought XRP last summer, everybody would have. And now you're starting to see even Alex Becker is starting to talk about XRP on one of his tweets. I saw it earlier today. What is it? ZS There it is, Becker. I am following him. Where was it? ETH XRP, some L1 is going to get mainstream finance adoption, aka take a solid chunk of the banking processing transactions, aka XRP. It's not ETH. We know that. And it's not some L1. It's XRP. And XLM is behind the other coins that are pumping, Velo and Stronghold. And I'm sure there's other stuff. I mean, even today, to my Phoenix DeFi hub, I claimed 15 coins. And I was able to swap those for 30 more Relio. And Relio was up a lot, but now it's down in the dumps. Where is Rio? There it is, down 90%. But I took a bunch out once it hit. It was running up last year. I swapped it for more Stronghold and Velo. So now's the time to reaccumulate it down here in the dumps. Like Relio's real world asset play. If it ran up that hard last cycle, I don't know why I can't see the full. I don't like how they don't have the full chart on the bubbles. So we started buying it down here in October 2023 at 2025. Oh, wow. Dipped down to 13 cents. All right. I didn't know that. Okay. So that makes sense why we're down where we are now. I mean, I wish, look at the time to buy it when it was absolutely dead. When you looking at this chart, it said, why on earth would you ever buy this coin down here after it went 6-7 months of doing nothing, down from 274 to 1 cent. But that was the time to buy. And we're getting this opportunity again. And when we can zoom back out, real world assets are going to be the narrative again. And we're in like the extreme dead zone right here. Like, these are the opportunities. And I wish I had enough Stronghold or Velo to swap into it. But that's why I have my Phoenix and XLM in a little pool. I'll just bring it up right here. Phoenix DeFi Hub. I got it right in here. Oh, I can't log in actually because I need my other phone. But I'm in this pool right here. And I'm getting 65% APR. And I think I have like maybe 80, 90 bucks in here total. And today I got $6 back. And my last claim was 3 weeks ago. So it's crazy, the APY. And then I can just slowly buy 30 more Relio. And then another 3 weeks, if it's still down, I'll buy another 30. And it is what it is. I wish it was 300, but it's not. So I'm just being patient. That's what you need to do. Let stuff come to you. You know, right now too, these reward coins on Pulse. Remember, this thing is just printing. I think I have now, I don't know what I have, like maybe 400 or 500 bucks. I think I have 14 or 15 billion. So no, it's not even. It's like $375. And I'm getting 5,000 Pulse chain a clip, and it's coming like every hour or two. So now it's close to 100,000 Pulse per day, which is pretty good. So right now, when things are bad, and Misor pumped back up today, so I sold a couple thousand of those for a little bit of more, remember, because I have more Misor. So now I have like 500 of each. And I'm just, my Finvesta, I'm just selling back into more dominance. And I'm keeping the wrap Bitcoin because it's just so scarce over on Pulse Chain. But these money printers on Pulse Chain, dominance at $1.64, like this coming back to where I started buying it. Like, this is awesome. I'm actually excited. I mean, this thing gave me almost $100. I put 300 into it, It ran up to 1,200, but I kept buying it. I don't care. All the way up to $3 is where I stopped. And now I'll buy it again. With my last of my Zen FTs, maybe sell my 808 burn and liquid rewards. I mean, just there's always stuff coming in. I bought some more Die Hard because I had to send some to Jeremy to get him set up so he could start seeing passive income firsthand. And that's what you need to do with your friends. Set them up with a wallet and send them some reflection tokens so they can see, wow, I got 1 coin and now I got 4. Well, this is kind of crazy. So it works. It really works. But this right here was just confirmation. These markets are traded by insiders. We can't move any charts except tiny little things on Pulse Chain. And look at this. A significant ETH long position has been increased to 42,600 ETH, valued at $81 million, with the liquidation price just $63 away. So they increased that much as ETH surged past 1,900. So right after that went in, ETH went right up, right before CPI numbers came out. So someone knew they were going to come out lower. The immediate price reaction, ETH breaking above 1,900, reflects the market's sensitivity to large position change. You mean to insider freaking trading? Oh, okay, word. That's what I thought. It's market sensitivity to insiders moving the market. Okay, that's what I thought I read there. What is the? No specific AI news was mentioned in the tweet. Well, AI is trading everything. The Aladdin software is doing everything for BlackRock. That's for sure. And I'm not trying to trade against AI bots. But I was just looking up Layer AI the other day because it was one of the AI coins I bought when we found Cubic. We got into GPU, Cubic, Layer AI, and I think AI Power Grid was the other one. And I threw $100 at this thing and then added another $100 to it. But now I just saw this. They're coming to XRP. They're moving from Binance over to XRP. So I got mine staked. I'm still just leaving it there, but I'm going to look more into this and see. I mean, this is super risky. If you have it, good, but I don't know about buying it right now. I mean, this is like, if you don't have your bags packed, like this is just a straight degen play. I'm just talking about it because it's moving over to XRP, so I might do something, but this thing is down. I mean, in the absolute dumps. I mean, I bought it at 4 cents and then reloaded more at just under a penny. And now it's at 0.2 of a cent. So this thing's just been straight down into the right. But, that could be good news moving to XRP. But the thing is, it's like a ChatGPT ecosystem. I feel like ChatGPT is already like a thing of the past and no one's going to care about it. So these things move so fast. Oh, wow. Uphold has Layer AI on there. Interesting. All right. Well, that's cool. In 3 days. All right. Where's the XRP news? Why do I not see anything on their website or on their Twitter? But layerai.org has coming to XRP. Well, there's a Twitter page right there. Interesting. Well, That's weird. But Uphold is tied in with XRP, so the fact they're going on there, that's cool. Or they've been on there, I didn't even know that. Because when you stake it, I got like these stupid NFT things, these capsules that you can sell, but no one's selling them. See, why don't I see anything about XRP? Like that's what's like, okay, is that just clickbait? Because there's not one thing on their Twitter, but it's on their website. I mean, they're building. That's the thing. Like, you never know. I think I don't even know where I found this because I think on Trade Ogre, they had like 3 or 4 AI coins that were tiny. So I just do $100 at 3 of them because Cubic was so expensive at the time. But yeah. Yep. Good old Layer AI. Phoenix DeFi Hub. Yeah, guys, just small wins. That's it. Small wins. Don't do anything crazy and just stick to the core. Stack your XRP, stack your H bar, Stronghold, PTGC, UFO, even Alien, Die Hard, the money printers over here. There's so many good projects. And just be patient. Neon does retrace 50%. I had almost 3K into this thing. And now it's down to like 1,500 or $1,400. So all my stuff is down this much. Am I panicking? Not one bit, because I can zoom out. And we're going to see another pump like this, where it's just getting started. Everyone's saying, oh, it's over. The bull market's coming close to an end. No, it's not. Look what Trump did the last time he came in. He's going to drive down rates, and we've never seen America becoming the home of crypto. All the pro regulation, all the institutional money. You think this bull market's going to be bad? 2026 is going to be a bad year? Yeah, for shit coins, but I beg to differ that there's going to be bags that we own that are going to crush it in 2026. While everything else is crashing, certain cryptos are going to be bringing that money on chain, tokenizing it, bringing it into Web3 and the next evolution of money. So don't get fudded out. Don't listen to people that can't do research or can't change their opinion or whatever it is. Just be careful out there. And that's all I got. Just a quick one. Whoa. Now I'm gone. Now I'm back. So smash that like button. Any of you guys need help, reach out. Go to vibrafinance.com. You can book a one-on-one and we'll get you taken care of. And we will see you tomorrow. And watch Jake Claver tonight. His stream is at 10 o'clock EST. Jake Claver on YouTube. He's one of the best out there for XRP. He works with all the businesses that are here, that are under NDAs. So he's got so much alpha. Definitely check him out for some XRP stuff tonight. I saw that, bro. I have the phone wallet and it's not in there. So I don't know if you have to go on to the Cubic DApp on the website and like manually connect or something. But I saw that it was there. But the price is so cheap right now, bro. I feel like if you just go buy $100 worth, this little dip in another 2 months will be like 3 years of staking rewards. So that's what I'm doing until it comes to the mobile app. I'm gonna hang tight. But stack that Cubic, stack your XRP, stack your H bar, stack your PTGC, stack your Hex, stack your Pulse, whatever it is. The core coins, you know what they are. Don't let people fudge you out. You're doing the right thing. Even though prices aren't reflecting it, we're all down and it's okay. It's meant to be and it will all work out. I promise. This is financial advice.